is good? Scarecrow in the house. This week's paintball was pretty intense. I played with Blasian Mane, and for those who don't know who he is, he just recently got into paintball. He submitted one of his videos to Alabaster Slim, and that video is blowing up on the charts. If you want to see what the video was, there will be a link down in the information bar. Be sure to check it out. And me and him rolled together as a squad today and kicked some major ass out there on the field. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And as always, like, subscribe.
Rain and paint do not mix, so I have a couple of problems today. And yeah, I had a little ball jam.
Nice. I gotta get closer. All right.
Right, my teammate shot me in the back.
Yeah, I got shot in the back last game. Where you wanna go?
I'm not sure where they're coming from on the left.
What are we doing? Just shooting.
The battle shot, we gotta just eliminate it.
Just eliminate everybody? Yeah, where's that fire coming from?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's a dude right in front of us, but he doesn't know we're here. Oh, he's behind the whole bunker.
He is?
Yeah. Yeah, shoot them. Hey, let's go to that building and see if we can flank around.
Here?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, you cover me.
Alright.
1, 3. 1, 2,
Go.
Oh,
I see a whole bunch of enemy on this left side, and I try to engage, but my gun starts messing up again.
Oh, come on, Mag.
And somebody shortly took him after I shot.
Behind it, behind it. Hold on.
I can't tell.
One of my mags is fucked up. Hold on, let me reload.
Turns out my spring was jammed.
All right, I'm good to go.
Right there, look. Behind you. Over here. Is he enemy?
If they have a pink ribbon, they're enemy.
I can't tell. It's too far away. I'm gonna peek out.
Ah, more chops. Chop, 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 chop.
Ah, bang, paint broke.
Same team?
Same team, yeah. We're good. Hold on. I'm gonna try to flank around, all right? Cover me. On your team. I'm friendly.
And I was shot by some teammates.
Huh?
Lucky for me,
Friendly
the balls
got me,
didn't
but I don't
break,
think it broke.
so I'm straight.
No, I didn't break. I'm about to move this way, all right?
My plan of action, the last time I saw people over here, they were enemies, so they fell back. And now I see people in the distance, but I'm not sure whether they're friendly or enemy. Let's keep watching and see what happens.
What I got? What's it looking like?
I can't see.
Oh.
Looking pretty hazy. It was so far.
Oh, man. Check this out. I'm gonna go flank around, all right?
Now I'm really confident that there's some enemies over here, and I try to sneak around to do some flanking. Hopefully I can get a multi-kill. Sadly, I realize that these are just friendlies. Can't do anything. They're trying to get this last guy out. There's only a few more people left. So I move up to see what the whole commotion is about. Drop gun, switch to pistol. Zeta mags, let's see if they work good. Woo! 6 in the chest. Ooh, that was pretty good. Well, that's it for this week, guys. But make sure you stay to the end of the video.
Oh, you shot me in my
I
arms.
have a special
In my
game
legs.
coming up this Friday, so
How you miss
be
my
sure to
body?
stay and check it out.
Right here.
Right here.
Oh, no, that's just.
Yeah.
One last thing. This Friday, I will, for those in the Metro Atlanta, Georgia area, I will be playing at Safety Wolf. And it's going to be an all-night game. I think the game starts at 8 o'clock and goes all the way to 12. So be sure if you can make it down there. And here's some footage from the last night game that I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss it. Calling it Black Ops. It's going to be a two-part paintball game. It's going to be a lot of fun. So be sure if you can make it out there. And as always, you're for what?